It's Happy Mother's Day today, and let's see here. Happy Mother's Day. So we got a lot of things to do today, but first stop, we're at Cecilia's Buko Pie. This is where, hi baby, you ready to get some marshmallows and Buko Pie? Okay, let's do it. So where's your mushrooms at? This is what we love. Ooh, strawberry, ube, chocolate, mango. You want the purple one? This one? This is just a regular Buko Pie here? Okay, yeah, we'll just get one. Yes. All right, the most delicious Buko Pie. We're in Paris, guys. We're in Paris, France, guys. Hey, baby. What do you want to eat? Wave to me, say hi. Show me what else you have. Let me see. Oh, okay, cool. Hacienda Village of Love. Let's do this. Okay. That's cool. Watch your step. Wow, it's... Wow. Nice. Is this free? Wow. Take a break right here. I'm gonna take a picture of you guys here. Wow. Hi Fifi. Hi Fifi. What are you gonna eat? Do you wanna eat some sushi? Some barbecue? See, this is where we're at here. There's Pipa. They have these little tables here. You have to put your feet in there. This is where we're at. This is how some of the food looks. Let's see how our food looks. It's all about this lady right here today. This is the reason why we're out and about and not at home. Is because we're celebrating Mother's Day for this young lady here. You love Daddy? Huh? You love Daddy? Give Daddy a kiss. Go like this. Give Daddy a blow kiss. Go like this. Go like that. Uh-oh. I thought you loved Daddy. I thought you loved Daddy. Okay, do you love Daddy? Do you love Daddy?
Oh yeah, thank you for my milk.
Okay, see that's the Iho barbecue. What else do we have? That's the California Maki. And then what else do we have here?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, that's for my baby. You try it. Like it?
Is that mango?
Yeah, there's mango in there. That's a California Maki. Is it good? Okay, let's eat. So we can get really acquainted. The love is real. There's no way you can feel like it's standing, but I can really explain it. Yeah.
more music without interruptions. Listen to millions of songs ad-free with Spotify Premium right now. Get 3 months for 149 pesos now before it's gone. Cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more. I agree with that. I just take my time with all this shit. I still believe in that. I had someone tell me I better all who I needed that. But where I leave it at, I know I exaggerated things. Now I got it like that. So I'm not getting my shirt cause I'm the smartest like that. You know good and well that you don't want a problem like that. You gon' make someone around me feel about it like that. Oh, don't do it.
Forget it. Wow. Hey, thank you. Good? Did you try it, babe? Mommy's gonna try Cold Stone for the first time. See if Mommy likes it. There's different flavors. Like it, peanut butter. How about Fifi? Fifi, you want to try some? Yum. Jump. Thank you. Okay, go. There. Yay. Again? Okay, give it. Give him put it on in his box there, okay? Okay, thank you, sir. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hi, baby. Keep on walking.
Nigga got me on my bully go. I'ma run out with that gun on. I'ma run out with gun on. Nigga got me on that dumb shit. Got me on that dumb shit. Got me on that dumb shit, man. Trap more than motherfuckers.
Hi, baby. Can we see that one, babe?
Rainbow.
See that.
Hindi talaga.
All right, let's see what my girls are doing. They're playing in the kiddie pool.
Try it.
Show me some things, Peepa. Say hi.
Try it with me.
Okay, I'm watching you. Be careful, okay? Whoa. Good job. Be careful, that's slippery there.
Ay, Fifi jump to ah.
Hi, Fifi. Hi, baby.
Hey, look at me. Hey, look at me.
Hi, baby.
Look at me. Dip it down.
Wow, look at, let me see. Let me see Fifi. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. Look at my girls.
Yay!
Yay.
Bye-bye.
Hi.
Look at me.
Good job, baby. You want to go in the other pool?
No.
Why don't you go with mommy to the other pool?
Okay. Yay.
Okay, you go follow mommy.
Wait lang, okay.
Okay.
It's deep na.
Wow.
Mommy. Come with me.
Good job, baby. Are you having fun?
Yeah. I want to go there.
Okay.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay. Okay, careful. Now, go. Whoa. All right. Oh, hold on. Okay. Are you having fun?
Yeah. Look at me.
Yay. Hi, baby.
Oh. Then.
Cool. People's got her floaties right there. This pool is only 4.5 feet, guys. Only 4.5 feet. Not very deep. Hi. Okay, let's see what we have here first. We have Cecilia's buko pie we got from the Gai Tai. We're
Hi.
gonna cut it up. We're gonna cut it up here.
I want some open noodles.
Let's cut it up. This stuff is good right here. Let me see you
Okay.
taste it. Mmm.
Mm.
Good.
Cool.
There's some good coffee here from Pickup Coffee, guys. This is one of their best sellers. It was called Cafe Mestizo. Hi, baby.
Yay.
The noodles is almost ready, okay?
I want like the blue one. You like the green one, huh? You might like that, huh?
You know what color? Everything's green is, I like it.
Mm-hmm. What's Peepa doing? Uh-oh. She's swimming again, huh? You swimming again, huh?
What?
You swimming again, huh? All right.
You gotta exercise.
Oh, yeah.
Dad, there's a poo-poo here.
Uh-oh. There's poo-poo everywhere, huh?
Dad, there's a poo-poo right there.
Uh-oh. You want to eat it?
Yeah. Hey, there's an old toy, Daddy.
Utoy is... Your Kuya Utoy is not here.
Hey, Daddy. Hey, look at me.
Let's see. Mommy got... See, here, your noodles, I think, are ready. See, we bought some noodles here, too. People love these ramen noodles here. We even got vegetable and seafood. Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a hot dog right there.
Uh-oh. We get some hot dog later, okay?
42 1. shake a ding, bye bye, I don't want shake a ding, have a rubber, have a yes, have a nice,
Yay. Okay, we're gonna try to do these. This is like a fake Legos. And we're gonna try to put this together. Let's see what's inside there. Oh wow, they're really small. Small Legos. They look just like Legos, but they're a different brand, guys.
Look at this. Oh.
That's a lot of
Hey, look
putting
at
together
this.
here. We might have to do this at home. Look at this life right here. You guys are living the life, huh?
Oh yeah.
Hi, Fifi. She's rolling like a champ now, guys. Easy for her to roll back and forth. And then stand up, Pipa, so everyone can see your dress.
Okay.
Oh, watch Fifi there.
We want my roll free.
Okay. Wow, look at that dress. Okay, let me see you do a TikTok. Yay. Whoa, that's your bed?
Yeah, that's my poo-poo bed.
Okay, can you show us the other room?
Okay, follow
Let's go, follow Pipa. This is the living room area, guys. We have a TV here, but we don't really know how to use it yet.
Hey! Hey, come here.
Okay. This is what room? What bed are you gonna be sleeping in?
Here.
Okay. How about the one on the top there?
Look at me.
Okay. Careful. Okay. Nice little bunk beds. Nice and sturdy. They don't creak. So.
Help me.
Okay. Do it slowly.
Oops, that's
Oh,
right.
hold on. Let me get you here. Okay. And then on the other side, there's more. I think we need to turn on the air con over here too. That's just how we roll. Local, just put local. There you go. I got all my gear right here, guys. This is an awesome spot here if you guys didn't see that. Okay, I'll meet you there.
I eat a banana, Fifi.
Okay, I'll meet you in the room, okay? I'm
I
gonna
eat a banana.
tell them about this. So anyways, there's a sliding door right here, guys. But you can watch, I'll link the house tour video so you can kind of see everything about the house. But look, this is the backyard or the front yard. This is 4.5 feet. This is about, I don't know, 3 feet or so. Or 2.5 feet, something like that. But nice area to hang out with, but But this is our spot here for Mother's Day.
Fifi.
All right, let's follow Pipa here before I get in trouble. Uh-oh. Whoa. You making Fifi look like a fresh lumpia, huh? She already looks like a banana. See, there she's rolling. Show us your huggy wuggy, Pipa. Uh-oh, slowly. You're rough, huh? You gotta learn how to be.
Come here.
All right.
Look at this. I see a poo-poo right there.
Oh,
Hey, a poo-poo.
okay. Okay. She is very high energy right now.
Daddy, come here.
I'm busy. She's hiding. There you are. What's my girls doing over there? She's sleeping, huh? Uh-oh. Okay, we're gonna check out the Carinderia here, which is right down the road. We're gonna go through here, right down the stairs. Careful.
the hat and
I like your hat.
yeah, it was nice and my dad. Daddy,
Walking through the garden area here, you can actually. We should have brought like badminton or something here. So this is a big garden area here, guys.
but
Is it open? Okay. This is where we're at, guys, right here. If you guys want to check out this place. This is what they have here, right down the street from our place. I don't know if I like any of that though. There's no luck finding a Carinderia here. They only have something over there, fruit shakes, but they're not real fruit shakes. Do you want to drive somewhere? Or you want to just stay home for now? No luck finding food, guys. So we're going back to the resort, back to the villa. And we're probably just gonna eat what we have. Wheat pandesal and mango. What are we gonna eat, guys? Papaya. Huh?
Swim.
Shrimp?
Swim.
What's that? Oh, you want to swim? Okay. We're going to swim later. Okay. A lot of mosquitoes right now, though. Go! Hurry up! Mosquitoes! Okay. Guys, we're going to do some night swimming. Got the mosquito thing here. I hope it works.
Oh, my, look at that.
Got one bug over there. Okay, let's go. Let's see how it looks out here. All right, this is how it looks at night, guys. Got some lights. They even got Christmas lights right there. Right here. I don't think there's any pool lights. There's not any pool lights. How is it?
It's warm.
It's warm?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to go with you.
Okay.
Ready? Here we go. Here it goes. Here it goes. I'm coming. Whoa.
I can see everything. It's like a...
Taking a while to focus.
Hey, got it down.
This is not focusing good here.
Hey, good.
Hold on.
Wait, look at me.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Daddy.
Did everyone sleep good? Good morning, Fifi. Good morning, Mommy.
Say yes.
Good morning, Pipa.
Say good morning, dear.
Did you sleep good, baby? Whoa, that's a good yawn, huh? There's our morning view. And we have our coffee and pandesal right there. And we're just gonna relax and check out here in a few hours. Did everyone have fun on Mother's Day?
Yeah. Say yeah.
Let me show you guys this outfit here. Whoa, look at this outfit. Uh-oh, what happened? What's going on? You okay? Uh-oh. Artista, huh? Whoa. Pipa's about to go swimming, huh? You want to go swimming? Uh-oh. You want us to leave you here? Huh?
No.
No? Okay. See your bathing suit, Pipa. Whoa, you're gonna go swimming, huh? Wow. Uh-oh. We have to put Fifi's swimsuit on.
The bell.
We could never get the TV to work since yesterday. That sucks. All right, so here's a better shot of Fifi's outfit. Let me see. Hi, baby. Let's show your little OOTD. Whoa, look at that. That's so good. And then there's Pipa. Whoa. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Daddy's gonna go back to sleep. All right. About to fly the drone. And let's see what the girls are doing this morning. Good morning to my girls.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning. Good morning, baby. Whoa. Looks like a nice day. Is the water cold? No. All right, let's see how this looks. This place looks from the top. Okay, I'm in the pool with Pipa.
Come here.
I want to go on the other side though because.
Okay. Come here.
Whoa.
Let's go by side.
Okay, stay right there first. Okay.
Hey,
Wow.
guys.
Okay, follow Daddy over here, okay?
Okay. I think so.
Oh, you're gonna go that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll tell you when to jump. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go back here so you won't splash the phone. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa. Okay, swim to Daddy. Ah. Whoa, got it.
Yay.
Wow. Cool.
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Transformer.
Yeah, I'm a mermaid.
And your name is Mermaid?
Yeah, let's go to your house.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay.
Okay. I like your frozen floaties.
Come here.
Okay.
I'm
Go all the way by the stairs.
okay. Hey, Transformer, I want to go to your house. I want to go to your house, Mom.
Where's my house at?
It's there.
Okay, let's go. I'll follow you.
Okay, it's there.
Oh,
Go here.
okay.
Yeah.
All right. This is my house here. Do you like my TV right here?
Yeah.
What do you want to watch?
I want to watch Mermaid Beast.
Mermaid. Okay. Okay. And then, do you want any popcorn?
Yeah, I don't want drink.
No drink. Okay. What kind of popcorn do you like? Caramel popcorn or cheese popcorn?
Cheese popcorn.
Okay. Here you go. Here's your popcorn. Have fun watching the movie.
Nice. Let's go to my house.
Hi, Pipa. What are you eating? Noodles. Beef noodles. Ramen noodles. Is it good? Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah.
Do you like this place?
Yeah, this is nice.
What do you like best about this place?
I like this.
Do you like the pool?
Yeah. Look at me first.
Okay. Whoa.
Hey, come here. Follow me.
Okay.
Follow me to the pool.
Okay. Following you.
Follow me in the pool, okay?
What, Daddy? Yeah. Let me see you swim. Swim on the side so if you get tired, you can hold on the rails or the sides. Hey, you did good today. You learned how to swim for a long time, huh? Okay, let's eat your noodles. Come on.
Okay. Look at this one.
All right, guys, checking out. Good times. We had a good time. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye, baby.
Saan doon?
And they have a plain bagel too. Yeah, plain. The bagel.
problem is you don't have much cream cheese anymore. Morning. Go ahead, follow that lady.
Extra plate, sir, or medium lang sir?
Like that? Is it good? It looks good.